Good day to you all. I am Chandrasekar, the Society President, past Society President of Indian Society of Heating, Refrigeration, Air Conditioning Engineers. I'm also a practicing consultant based in Hyderabad, involved in the MEP consultancy. Of course, as people who have been part of this industry for many, many years, I've spent quite a lot of 40 years in this industry, in the MEP industry, and which is a ever-growing industry, which all of you know very well. And in this industry, when you look at the kind of requirements in terms of the energy, in terms of the water, in terms of every resource that is required, which is not available in abundance today, we will be taken aback to see that the kind of inputs which we need is so much more into that. When every one of us act together, there is a possibility that we can have these resources available for the future generations, for many more generations. Because energy from where the source of energy is mainly water and coal, and if this is not available, there's going to be a big issue. Similarly, we have to ensure that for everyday use, if we do not have water, that's going to create a big vacuum for all of us. And I don't think we can ever imagine a day when we can live without water. That means every one of us, each one of us, whether it is the commercial building sector industry or the residential building sector industry or the common people who are using this, every one of us will have to have together and then ensure that all these resources are available for many more years to come. If we have to ensure that, we need proper information, proper education, proper guidance that how we should do it, because we may not be doing it in the right way. I can tell you for sure, in spite of 40 years of learning in this, I'm still learning, and I'm sure every one of you can also start to learn how we can ensure that these kind of resources are available for the future generations. To make this resource available for the future generations, we need to do conservation of water, harvesting of water, replenishing the water, recycling of the water. All of these things is required. And I am sure with this 30th Plumbing Congress coming up in Hyderabad, in our very own city, every one of us, when you visit that, you will be in a position to understand in order to emulate what is required for that. And that is the one which this Indian Plumbing Society, Indian Plumbing Association will provide you. And it will be a great opportunity for all of us. Wish you all the best. And I'm sure I can see all of you in this exhibition. Thank you very much.